How to create a partition on your Lenovo laptop. So in this video, I'll show you how to create different drives on your computer so you can go and add a D drive, an E drive, and so forth. Now to do this, we first need to open up the start menu on your laptop and then just search for the word partition. Now select create and format hard disk partitions, and here you'll find all of your current drives on your computer. So at the moment, I only have this C drive here, and we're basically going to use some of the storage space on our C drive to go and create a different drive on our computer. So all you need to do is go and right click on the drive that you want to shrink, and then press shrink volume. You then need to decide how much space you want to allocate to this new drive. Now remember, every 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So I'm going to type in 10,000 megabytes, which is 10 gigabytes. And just bear in mind that you'll be taking the space from the drive that you're shrinking. So we're basically using 10 gigabytes of this C drive, and we're going to be allocating this to another drive. You could then press shrink. Now after a couple of seconds, you should see this unallocated space. So what you can do is now assign this to a new drive. So if you right click on it, you can press new simple volume, click on next, make sure all of the megabytes are selected and press next, and it will say assign the following drive letter. So you can click on the drop down arrow and select a letter. I'm just going to have this as the D drive. You can then press next again and go and press next and click on finish. Now, once you've done this, open up the File Explorer on your computer. You could then come over to your C drive, and as you can see, we now have two drives. We have a C drive and also a D drive as well. So if you want even more than two drives, you can go and repeat this process, and that's how you create different partitions on your Lenovo laptop.